President Muhammadu Buhari and Godwin Emefiele and the Minister of Finance. Former, all of them are former. When I saw it on the news, I had to run away to somewhere very far to do this video. Somewhere very far, somewhere in fact. The reason why I left Nigeria and came to somewhere far to do this video is because I want to finish from here. I'll enter this water. I don't know where this water leads to. I'll enter this water and run away. Let me just find where and go. If from this country, if this water can get to another country, I'll just from here and leave, because what I saw in the news is not something that I will just finish. I'll talk about it in Nigeria. I have to fly somewhere far. So you have to release 500 billion naira every month on Buhari's instruction to this woman to, according to you, eradicate poverty. Me, I don't see any poverty they eradicated. I don't know if you see it. You see, our country is one country that is really blessed with a lot of resources and money. But you see that the people that are controlling this money and these resources are the ones that are our big problem. Now look at this. Just look at this water. Just show them this water. Let them see this water. You see this place as this place is. That side, so come to this side, see people inside the water, video them, look at these people that are even passing, show them these people, let them see. All these people you are seeing, they are not Nigerians. They came from all over the world to this place to come and enjoy themselves. They are tourists. This country are making money with tourism, developing the country. If you go in, don't worry, I just came, I will go inside the town, let you see how beautiful the place is. The country, the government spend money on tourism to make the place fine so that people can all over the world come to the country. Countries are thinking of how to make their place better so that other people can come and make more. Look at Ethiopia. When I left Nigeria, from Nigeria we landed Ethiopia. We slept in Ethiopia one night. Go to Ethiopia airport and go and see plane over 1 million plane traveling all around the world. The country, they are making money with tourism. With tourism, they are making money. We are, our own is that we are here. One person will just send 500 billion to another person for no reason. For nothing. Just look at this country. They are making money. Aviation minister, you lied to us about Nigerian Air. There's nothing like that. Minister of Finance, you claim to eradicate poverty. Nothing like that. 500 billion every month. Do you know what is 500 billion every month? And the country is still backward. This is a very small country now, but look at it, they are making money with tourism now. Emefiele, you said, since you didn't talk that the Buhari is giving this kind of bad instruction, you kept quiet. Now, when they have hold you in DSS custody, you are now saying that Buhari is giving you instruction to give that woman 500 billion every month. And the same Buhari now said that nobody should call him for anything. That anybody that call him to come and testify in court, the person will be in trouble. You see that man has sense. He has gone. Nobody can hold him. Whatever happens, it's not his business. Tomorrow they will say Buhari is not corrupt. Buhari is Mr. Integrity. Mr. Integrity, my put. You people have to change, oh, in that Nigeria. If you don't change, I will run and leave. I won't come back again. When I had that money, how they release 500 billion every month, I almost mad. Small, I will get mad. Even as I'm talking about Nigerian Air and 500 billion, some people will still watch this video. Even as I'm showing you how beautiful, show them how this place is beautiful. See the water in the morning. Look at white people in the water. See them watching all around. See them everywhere. See this one. Look at this one. He don't have work. His work is to follow dog in the morning. They don't have problem now. Their government is better. Even as I'm showing you all these things. Hey, well done. How are you? Your dog, ba? Uh, even as I'm talking about these people and showing you how they are enjoying themselves, some people will still look at me. Who's that this dog is coming to me? Guy, live here, don't Umanka. Don't near me, oh. I'm angry. Some people will still say I don't have sense. I don't have sense, I agree. But I'm the spice creator. If I'm not the spice creator, how will I get to this place? Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That if your business, I want to enter water. Show me, let me enter water.